13. Example 13. Using identity 3, we have to find this 3 by 2, and this is first part. Okay. 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3 n into 3 by 2m minus 2 by 3n. So what was third identity? It was a plus b into a minus b. What it was? A square minus b square. In place of a we have 3 by 2 m, and in place of b we have 2 by 3 n. Okay. So this is a square. This will be like 3 by 2 m whole square minus b square. B was 2 by 3 n whole square. So this is 3 by 2 m whole square will be 3 by 2 m into 3 by 2 m. This is 3 into 3 9. 2 into 2 will be 4. M into m will be m square. So it will become 9 by 4 m square minus this 2 by 3 n into 2 by 3 n. This will become 2 into 2 4. 3 into 3 9. N into n will be n square. So it is 4 by n 9 n square. So this expression value of this expression will be 9 by 4 m square minus 4 by 9 m square. Now second part. Now second part of this. This is 983 square minus 17 square. So identity was, we are using both way. This is 9 a square minus b square was a plus b into a minus b. I can write that, we can use vice versa, we can use any side. So this is, in place of a we have 983, in place of b we have 17. So how we are going to write? This is a plus b. This is 983 plus 17 into 983 minus 70. So this will become 1000 into, this is 9, sorry, 6. Okay. So we will simply multiply 966. So this is our answer. This is very easy to calculate. Once you know how to apply the identities, this will become very easy to calculate. Now third part. Third part of the question is 194 into, now we have to split these terms, so we have to modify this. This 194 we can write it as 200 minus 6. Okay, we can write it as 200 minus 6, and this we can write 200 plus 6. Now this is in form of a minus b into a plus b. What it was? A square minus b square. In place of a you have 200, and in place of b you have 6. So a square, it was 200 square minus 6 square. What it was? If you calculate, this will become 40,000 minus 36. Okay. So the answer will come 39,964. So this way we are going to use the identities. Now the third identity which I have told. Now example 14. First part. 501 into 502. So the last identity I told was x plus a into x plus b. What the result was? It was x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Now in this 501 and 502, it can be written as 501 can be written as 500 plus 1. Okay. And this can be written as 500 plus 2. Clear? Now in place of x we have 500, in place of a we have 1, in place of b we have 2. If we are going to compare these values from this, so it will become x square is 500 square plus a plus b will be 1 plus 2 into 500 plus a into b. This is 1 into 2. So if we calculate, this will become 25,000, 2,50,000, sorry. This is 1 plus 2, 3. 3 into 500 will be 1,500 plus 3. So the answer will become 251503. Sorry, this is 1 into 2, it will be 1, 2. So this is the answer. Now quickly we will see last part of this question. Third part, this is second part, sorry. 95 into 102. Okay, 103, sorry. So this 95 can be written as 100 minus 5, and this can be written as 100 plus 3. So the formula we have for x plus a into x plus b, but in place of a plus a we have minus a. So no issue. We'll put x is 100, okay, a is minus 5 and b we have 3. So we will, this is x, we'll put 100 square plus, in place of a we will put minus 5, this is plus 3 into x plus minus 5 into 3. Clear? This is 10,000 minus 5 plus 3. This will come minus 2. Minus 2 into 100 will be minus 200. This will be minus 15. Minus 5 into 3 will be minus 50. So the final answer will be 9785. You can calculate. So in place where it is negative, we can put a equals to minus 5 here. Rest we can proceed in the similar way. So exercise 9.5 we will start in our next video. Thank you.